variables or something, yes, and also a dollar symbol. What is the purpose of dollar and why we use the dollar symbol? Okay, and what is the purpose of echo? Yes, everything we discussed in a yesterday session, right? But today's session, yes, let's move on our hands-on, simple hands-on. Sir, yesterday we have already forward the script also. For your understanding purpose, we have already forward the script. So one more time, I will write the scripts one more time. So forward slash hash symbol bin bash. This is Shivang line. Yes, we must write this line. Okay. Afterwards, echo enter name. Enter name. That's all. Just a simple enter your name. Okay. Echo enter your name. Afterwards, read name. That's all. Read name. Okay. Very, very simple example. Echo something called enter address. Enter address ADDRESS. Address. Okay. Address. Read address. Afterwards, echo something called enter contact. Your contact number. Something called like this. Right. Enter your contact number. Afterwards, read this contact information. So I can also call as a phone, read phone number. Yes, no problem. Read phone. Afterwards, I want to display all these things. Okay, display purpose, just to use a dollar symbol, dollar, dollar, and name. That's all. Dollar, something called RESS address. Okay. Dollar, something called phone. That's all. Okay, like this. So to display the content or information, just we use echo dollar name. We have already explained all these things, but need not to explain right now also. Okay, that's why I went very light. Okay, echo something called dollar address. Echo dollar phone number. That's all. Okay. Echo dollar name, echo dollar address, echo dollar phone number. That's all. And we can also write something called your name is something. Yes, we can also write that, but we modify the script. Okay, after running, we modify this echo dollar name, echo dollar address, echo dollar phone number. That's all. So reading the data, displaying the data. That's all. Data, whatever the data we are giving input, that data will be displayed on your terminal once you execute the script. But the script file must be must be having an extension that is called .sh. The script file must have an extension. That extension is what? .sh. .sh. Suppose the file name is what? Simple friends. Sir, where should I copy all these things? Where should I type all these things? Yes, you can type all these things inside your notepad or something called Visual Studio Code or something called inside your Linux machine, Nano or something. Yes, wherever you can, no problem. For our practice purpose, just we go for a Linux machine, Linux server and type all these things inside a file. Just we execute the scripts. Okay, no problem. But see, to execute a script, we have three methods. We have three methods. To execute a script, we have two methods. First method, three methods. First is what? Full method. Next one is what? Shortcut full. Third one is sh. So full method, shortcut method, something called SH. So short path, we can also call as a full or full path. Full path method. Yes, some people calling as a full method, or some people calling a full path method, or some people calling as a short path, SHORT short path method. Yes, that means what? Either we use a full path method or a short path method, or we can say SH method also, HH method. Okay, to execute a bash scripts, we go with something called full or shortcut or SH. See, full path method, if you go with full path method, yes, friends, it requires a permissions. It requires permissions, right? Access permission. That means what? It requires X permission, boss. Otherwise, you cannot execute the script. No, it is not possible. So it requires a permission. So afterwards, friends, shortcut method, it requires something called permission. Oh, permission required? Yes, yes. Something called X permission required for this file. So SH method, no, it's not required anything. No, without permission, okay, it is not required any permission. It is not required any permission. No, it's not required any permission, boss. That's all. Okay. Sir, how you execute the scripts? Three methods. Okay, but how you get the permission, X permission? So what is your file name? Yes, yes. What is your file name? Simple. File name is something called, our file name is script1.sh. Our file name is script1.sh. So please provide X permission for the other users. Please provide X permission to the others on script file one. That's all. Script file one. Script one file. That's all. Script one file. Script one. That means what? Dot. You forgot dot. It says boss. No problem. Okay, that's it. Please provide X permission. Please provide X permission to the others on script one dot file. Dot sh file. That's all. Script1.sh file. Okay, no problem. Script1.sh, right. Okay, good. Sir, how you provide a permission? So, who provide a permission? The person who is having right root access or sudo access, they can provide it. That's all. So, how you provide, sir? chmod. Oh, chmod. Okay. O plus X. That's all. O plus X. Okay, script1.sh. Okay, okay, sh. That's all. O plus X means what? Providing X permission to the others on script file. That's all. Providing X permission to the others on script one file. That's all. This is the statement which we are using to provide X permission to the particular file. That's all. Okay, this is our file name. This is our permissions. Access. That's all. Sir, can I provide all groups also? Yes, you can provide groups also. OG. G means what? Groups. Groups, no problem. Others. Like that, we can provide a permission. Sir, please move on some, hands on. Yes, yes, definitely. Sure. This is what possible ways to execute a script. Okay, possible ways to execute a script. For our understanding purpose, something called we use SH also, no problem. Practicals. But anyway, real time, yes, it requires a permission to execute any kind of scripts. But the scripts are available inside our S3 buckets or GitHub, Bitbucket, GitLab. Yes, so many things are available for storage. The source code and this kind of scripts file also will be stored inside a GitHub location. Yes, So we take the files from the GitHub location also, no problem. Okay, not an issue. So our ultimate goal is what? DevOps, Ansible, that's all. But this is what, just for learning purpose, just for understanding purpose. If you understand thoroughly, afterwards, this will be very helpful while you are working with the Ansible tool, the powerful tool, which are using widely inside any IT projects. Yes, any IT projects, Terraform and Ansible, both are very, very important tools, boss. Okay, just concentrate the bash scripts also. Okay, this is your first script. That's all. Executing and writing. That's all. Okay, so now just go to this place. Okay, AC to user sudo -i, press enter button. Good. So now, if you are a root user, yes, you can execute any kind of scripts. Sir, okay, no problem. We'll do this task. No problem. Yes. Nano script one script1.sh. Sir, is it necessary to provide a .sh? Is this necessary? Yes, yes. Otherwise, no use. That's it. .mp4. That means what? .docx. Yes. Dot something called mp3, mp4. Like that, there are so many extensions. Based on the extensions, the system will recognize the a file. In the same way, based on the extension, the system, the Linux machine will understand your script. That's all. So nano script1.sh, press enter button. So now, sir, how can I copy all these lines? First, simple. Just copy the lines. Very, very simple script. Okay. So copy. Afterwards, just right click. Oh, mouse right click paste. Inside Linux, mouse right click paste. That's all. Okay. Okay. This is our script. That's all. This is our script. Echo, enter name, read name, address. Sir, read and name. What is the name, sir? This is a variable name. Yes. This variable name. Yes. What is variable? Yesterday we discussed it. Contains some, it is capable of holding some data or value. Yes. That is also discussed as a memory location. That's all. So just go through the previous class video so that you can understand in a better way. Okay, right. So echo dollar name, address, and phone number. That's all. Sir, can I save this data? How can I save this data? Just use Control O, press enter button, Control O. Then it is asking you some confirmation. Hey boss, can I save this? Can I write this data into this file? Yes, yes. Yes means what? Just press enter button. That's all. Press enter. Control O, press enter button. Yes, 14 lines will be stored inside this place, written inside this place like that. Afterwards, Control X. Control X means what? Come out from the file, exit from the file. That's all. Sir, how can I execute the script? Yes, we have three methods, friends. The first method is what? Full method or short method, something called sh method also. Script1.sh. Is it possible to execute? Press enter button. So enter your name. That's all. KK. Press enter button. Enter your address. This is something called Bangalore. Okay. Press enter button. Sir, enter contact number, something called 123456. Oh, is this script execute? Yes, yes, this is the only. Yes. That means what? After pressing enter button, it is displaying you, hey boss, KK, Bangalore 12345. That's all. So if you modify the script also, you can modify anytime, no problem. So without asking any permission, we can execute the script by using sh method, sh model. Sir, can you show me something called full path method or short path? Yes, yes. See, observe carefully. PWD, press enter button. So PW means what? Print working directory or present working directory is what? Root. Sir, a root is a username or a folder name? This is a folder name. Yes. The folder is available inside a / directory. Sir, you are telling root is a user. Hey boss, username is root, folder name is root. Okay, this is the folder which we are using for storing our data. That's all. The root user is storing this folder to store a root user data. That's all. But a root user, just ls command. Oh, the root user is having something called script1.sh. The script is available inside their root folder only. That's all. You very well about all these things. No problem. See, the root folder is available inside a root folder. Sorry, script file is available inside a root folder. That means what? What is this? Something called /root script1.sh. That's all. Okay. /script1.sh. This is the location, boss. That's all. This is a location. This is location. No, sir. I don't want to use all these things. I can use dot. Just a dot. Dot. Just a dot. That's all. Dot / script1.sh. Oh, this is a shortcut. That means what? No need to mention all these things. See, there is something called full path method. We need to specify all the things / root or something. Yes, there are so many folders are available inside real time. So instead of using all these things, I can use only dot script.sh. Press enter button. Oh, permission denied. That is what I'm asking. Permission denied. That means what? This it is not possible to use the script, execute the script. Sir, please show me the permissions. ls-l. Press enter button. Oh, Hare sir, root user also not having a permission? Yes. By default, whenever the root user create any file, the file, something called not, requires x-axis, but there is no x-axis. No. By default, the root user is having read access and write access, but there is no x-axis. Okay, that's why the root user is also not able to execute the script1.sh. That's why it's showing an error. Hey, permission. Yes. Sir, how can I get the permission? Simple chmod. Yes, chmod. Something called. Oh, Hare sir, you means what? User. That means what? Owner. UGO plus X. UGO plus X. SCRAPT1.sh. That's all. That means what? I am providing X permission to the users, groups, and others also. UGO plus X on script file. I am providing. That's it. So like that, we need to provide a permission on a particular file. That's all. So that they can simply understand. They'll ask you, hey, I'm a root user. Just I created a file. Okay. But what are the default access on this file? Please tell me. Hey, if you are a root user, no problem. Yes, you can get only read and write access on a file. That's all. You don't have a write access. Like that, you must say the answer, friends. Okay. Very easy, dead easy manner, boss. Very dead easy. Yes. Whenever the root user create any file, the file is having something called read, write. That's all. No x-axis, no x-axis. X means what? Execution permission. That's why we provide UGO plus X sit toward one. Press enter button like this. Again, check one more time. ls-l boss. Okay, understood, sir. RWX, RX, and RX. That's all. RX and RX. So the script file is having, x-axis for the root user and x-axis for the groups, x-axis for the others also. It's like that. We need to provide a permission. So after, sir, can I execute the script one more time? Yes. How can I execute the script? forward slash root something called root some script one dot sh, press enter button. Oh, it is accessing executing, sir. Yes, yes. That means what we provided a permission, boss. That's why it is executed. Otherwise, no. Otherwise, no. So enter your name, something called our Papa Rao. Press enter button. Enter address, something called Hyderabad. Enter contact number, something called. Press enter button. Oh, yes, script is executing properly. Yes, yes. This is the way we need to execute the script with the help of full path boss. In a real time, there are so many folders, subfolders like that. This is nothing but full path. Just we are using just forward slash root only, but in real time, there are so many folders, so many subfolders are available. Okay, this is what full path method execution. Sir, how can I execute the shortcut path method? Is it possible? Yes. Shortcut in the sense what? This is full method. This is a full method. Shortcut is what? Is I'll show you the shortcut method also. If you want to execute any script, this is a full. Sir, show me the shortcut method, sir. Simple. Shortcut method. Simple. Okay, simple. Yes. See, in a shortcut method, boss, I remove a forward slash, I remove a root also. That's all. This is a shortcut method only. So that means what? 1 minute, boss. 1 minute, 1 minute. So first method and second method, this is shortcut method. Second one, yes. Now I remove this forward slash root. Afterwards, I put dot symbol. That's all. Dot. Oh, dot. Yes, yes. Dot means what? Dot means current working directory. So the script is available in this current working directory. Then you proceed for execution like that. So instead of writing all the now path, just you write dot symbol, dot period symbol. That's all. So period forward slash same forward slash script one dot ss. That's all. Script one dot ss. But most of the people straight away telling, hey, to execute a bash script dot forward slash script one dot ss. What is this nonsense, boss? Why you are using dot? No, I don't know. Using dot means what? Yes, without instead of specifying all the path, I am specifying dot symbol. That's all. Dot means what? Current working directories. That means what? Forward slash root only. That's all. Either go with this model or something called a shortcut model. That's all. Or something called third model, boss, SH. Very, very easy, dead easy model. That's all. SH model also. You can go with SH model or shortcut, or you can say full path. Short path, full path, SH. That's all. Sir, show me the short path method to execute the same script. Yes, you can. But how you execute the script? Dot forward slash sh. Oh, why sir sh? No, no, no. Script one dot sh. That's all. Press enter button. Again, it is asking you name. This is the way we are executing the script. That's all. Dot script one dot sh. So our something called RAJ Rajendra. Oh, press enter button. Enter address, something called Bangalore. Oh, enter contact number, something called, that's all. Press enter button. Oh, script executed. Sir, just in a output, we are unable to read this output properly. Is there any things to read the proper output? Yes, yes. That means what? User-friendly output. Yes, I want to display user-friendly output, but it is not a user-friendly output. Yes, to get the user-friendly output, go back to your script one more time. Sir, how can I go back to our script? Simple, boss. Very simple. Nano. Nano, yes, script one dot ss, that's all. So Nano is a text editor tool which can be used to modify the file data. Not only modify, you can delete, append, whatever it is. Yes. Press enter button. That's all. So now we can modify the script. How? How you modify, sir? Simple. Something called uh, your your name is something called, yes, good. Afterwards, your address, your ADD or ESS address is something. Okay. Afterwards, something called your phone, or let's say contact. Sir, you specified a phone, but you are telling contact. Yeah, no problem. CAN contact number. That's all. Okay, contact number. Oh, simple. Now you check the output. Yes, user-friendly output, boss. User-friendly output. Yes, yes. Very dead easy. It's like a something called COBOL mainframes, yes. Or it's like something called, Python also. Yes, it is very much similar to Python programming. It is very much similar to Python, boss. But not similar, but some of the cases which are similar Python, right? Okay, okay. Now after these classes, you can easily learn Python. Yes. Once we complete all my bash scripts, then you can learn Python also. Dead easy. Yeah, very dead easy. I'll touch all the things. The same things is also available inside a Python. Variables, decision making statement, if else, while loop, do while else, loop, for loop, like this, arrays, functions, everything we'll discuss. Okay, no problem. So, sir, how can I save this data? Press Control O. Afterwards, press enter button. Okay, Control O, press enter button. Afterwards, Control X. Afterwards, Control X. Sir, why you're using Nano? Can I use VIM? Yes, you can use a VIM also. script1.ss, no problem. See, VIM or VI or Nano, both are text editor tools. All are text editor tools, but Nano is something called very flexible one. Okay, let's give you some, a GUI model, GUI, graphical user interface model. But VIM is nothing but what? A CUI model, just commands, everything, everywhere commands. But a GUI, Nano, CUI, VIM or VI, that's all. Nano, you'll find out something called keyboard shortcuts. Control O in your keyboard, Control X in your keyboard only, that's all. Okay, 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 right, sir. Now you check the output. SH, SCRAPT 1.sh. Sir, can I use shortcut method? Yes, you can also use a shortcut method, shortcut method. How? Dot forward slash SCRAPT 1.sh. Press enter button. That's all. Over no. So something called enter your name. I press enter button. Enter your address. Something called Hyderabad. Okay, right. Afterwards, enter your contact. Just press enter button, then only it will ask you. Okay, enter your contact number, friends. Contact number, something. Press enter button. Oh, like this. This is what your user-friendly output. Okay, your name is Oil and your address is Hyderabad and your contact number is something. Okay, like this, the scripts. Okay, you can modify. Sir, one more time, can I check the sh method? Sh also. SCRAPT1.sh, that's all. Script one dot press enter, but same thing. Enter your name, something called Raghu. Enter address, something called is from US, I think so. Is enter contact number, something called +1, something. That's press enter button. Raghu, yes, yes, something, yes, yes, like this. Okay, okay, sir. Sir, can I copy the script? Already we, Send the script to your WhatsApp. Okay, no problem. Just a small script, that's all. Just a small script, boss. We have already, send the script. That's all. Okay. Good, sir. Understood very well. Okay. Now, what is our next step, sir? Yes, understand something called a decision making. Yes, yes, very, very important. So you understood variables. Afterwards, you understood decision makings. But in a middle sessions, will go with something called variables also. Yes, yes. In the middle of the session, again we work with the variables. But just for understanding, yes, we explain all these things. In the middle of the sessions, we will go with something called variables again. Yeah, yeah. Yes, yes. Okay, now decision makings. Decision making. Sir, what is meant by decision making? How decision making? Why decision making, sir? Very, very important thing. Yes. Decision makings in the sense what friends suppose something called if, nothing but what decision, if, else, something. Yes, you know very well about all these things. Okay. This is what sample bash script, but the sample bash scripts gives you some command how to write and how to execute, no problem. But afterwards we see decision making. Decision making. Sir, what is meant by decision making, sir? Yes, yes, based on the condition, we must take the decision. Based on the condition, we must take the decision. Oh, what is the condition, sir? What should I do? What kind of condition it is? Based on the condition means what kind of it is? No, no, no. See, based on the condition, yes, yes. We must take the action. That's all. We must take the action. Based on the condition, we must take the action. That's all. Action means, sir, we are not understanding the things properly. Yes, yes, will do. So based on the condition, we take the action. Okay. But what kind of action, sir? Yes, yes, I'll give you more clarity. What kind of action? I'll give you. Sir, what is the condition? Condition in the sense what suppose, for example, condition number one. Okay, condition number one. Suppose it is a true. Sir, what is true, sir? Suppose it is what? True, true. True means what? It is true. True means what? Take this action. False. False. False means, hey, false means don't take this action. This is the first action for this true. And the second action for this false. That's all. Oh, action number two for false. Action number two for false. Okay, this is what? If the condition is true, take this action. If the condition is not true or false, that's all. That means what? Condition, based on the condition, we take the decision. We make the action. That's all. We take the action. That's all. Action one or action two based on the condition. Based on the condition. Sir, please elaborate the things properly. Yeah, definitely. Elaborate the things properly. Suppose something called, I'll make you understand very easily, no problem. Don't worry about that. Okay, uh, suppose this is my table. Okay, this is my table which is available inside my DB database. Okay, inside a database we have a table. The table name is something called debit card info table, debit card information table, like that. Simply for assume that. For example, for suppose inside this debit card information table, yes, we have a card number. Oh, this is a number. Something called, this is what? A number Okay, and expiry date. Oh, afterwards CVV, afterwards PIN boss. That's all. My debit card table contains number, expiry date and CVV PIN number. That's all. Ah, yes, yes. Observe carefully. My card number is something called 5689 something something something. Yes. Expiry date 330. CVV something called 456. Okay. But what PIN number, sir? PIN number is nothing but what? 8899. This is my PIN number. Like this. Okay. Now check the condition. That's it. Condition. That means what? Check the condition. So now condition. Condition. Okay. Condition is equal to something. Condition is equal to something. Or sir, what is this is equal to something, sir? Yeah, I'll make you know understand. No problem. So here, yes, boss. Pin and pin is equal to pin is equal to pin is equal to something called sir, where it is coming from, sir? It is coming from the user input. User, hey, user enter pin. User entered at something called pin number 5586. This 5586 fall under comes under this place. 5586. Okay, this 5586 again going to in this place with the help of some SQL statements boss. I'm not writing any SQL statements because we are not a developers. Just for your understanding, that's I'm like elaborate the subject. That's all, elaborating the subject. SQL statements. Afterwards, yes, it is coming to this place and checking the data inside this table. Hey, 5586 is available in this column or row. Hey, no, 8899. Immediately, yes, I throw an error saying that, hey, boss, you entered a wrong PIN number. You entered a wrong PIN number. This is one kind of action, that's all. And based on the condition, you take the action. This is a wrong PIN number. That means what? This information must be displayed on the user terminal. User terminal. Hey, boss, you entered wrong PIN number. Oh, I entered wrong PIN number. Again, the user is, typing something called, hey, right PIN number, 8899. Then 8899 comes to this place. 8899. That's all. Then again, this will be going to in this table and searching your data PIN number 8899. Oh, 8899. Yes, yes, exactly matching. Yes, no problem. Then we take the second action, something called. Okay, this is what true. True means what? All matching. PIN number is matching, condition true. PIN number is not matching, condition false. That's all. False true means what? Condition is false. That means what? Condition false means what? PIN number not matching, false only. PIN number matching, true only. That's all. Condition is false. Oh, condition is false. Hey, you entered wrong PIN number, correct it. That's all. Condition is true. Hey, you entered right PIN number, go this balance page or go this withdrawal page. That's all. Then it will display you your withdrawal page. Hey, please withdraw money. That's all. Something called in a bank operations, we are seeing, something called daily life. Okay, no problem. But in this is the way the condition, based on the condition, we take the action. So this is what a developer task, not our task. Don't afraid of all these things. Just for understanding purpose, I'm explaining you all these things. These things with nothing but what? Business logic. The business logic will be done by backend developer. That is what? Python, MS.NET, something called Java, SS, Go language, COBOL. These are all backend programming languages. This was developed by backend developers. So this application servers, that's all. All this content is available inside our application containers or backend containers or application servers. That's all. So like this, they are verifying our input. That's all. But this is enter your PIN number, something, something. This is what interface, user interface. That's all. This was created by something called UI UX developers. UI UX developer. That means what? Front end developers. But now front end and back end comes along with something called full stack. Oh, full stack means what? Front end and back end. Yes, front end and back end, like that. So interface, web interfaces, everything will be taken care by Angular, React, HTML, JavaScript, PHP. Yes, there are so many things are available. So, and front end plus back end. Yes, front end plus back end, nothing but what? Full stack. That's all. And again, something called DBMS plus something called database kind of, softwares or oracles, SQLs, or like this. Okay, but don't afraid of all these things. Just for your understanding, as a DevOps engineer, we know all these things. That's all. But not doing all these things, boss. Don't worry about all these things. Just for your understanding purpose, what is a condition? What is a decision making? What is a false? What is a true? That's all. Same way, yeah. Suppose if you entered a CVV number, yeah, whenever you purchase anything from an e-commerce portal, they are asking you, hey, please enter your CVV. Suppose you entered a wrong CVV 215 or something called 3356, something called, yes, yes. It is checking you come to this place. Condition is true, yes. Your transaction will be successful. Condition is false, your transaction will be failed. That's all. Your transaction will be failed only. That means what? This is what? Based on the condition, the actions will be taken. That's all. Based on the condition, the action will be taken. Same way, yes, here also was in a bash script. Yes, based on the condition, we will do this kind of activities. That means what condition? Oh, please check the software. Please check the software whether it is available in my server or not, I don't know. If the software is available, do something. If the software is not available, hey, install the software again. Oh, this is a condition. Yes, the software is available. Yes, do this task. Not available, do this task again. The software is available, exit. Oh, exit. Don't worry about that. If the software is not available, install the software immediately. That means what? Condition. We are checking the condition. Yes, yes. Based on the condition, we install the software or exit the server. That's all. Exit the program or something, whatever it is. So this is what condition or decision making was. Sir, how do this decision making inside a bash script? Not only bash script. So in any other programming language, we do something called if. Oh, if, yes, if statement on if. Afterwards, if, write down the if and the condition. That's all. Condition, if, condition, like this. X, something called what, sir? What is this, sir? This is what? This is colon, boss. This is nothing but colon. Oh, this is what? Semicolon. Right, sir. Semicolon. Colon is different, semicolon is different. So if condition and afterwards semicolon, that's all. But in our bash script, we use something called, yes, friends, we use this kind of brackets. Oh, sir, square brackets? Yes, square brackets. That's all. Square brackets. So afterwards, condition number 1, condition number 2, that's all. No, statement number 1, statement number 2. We have already written condition, no? Yes. That is also calling as action, boss. Action. Yes, yes. Action number one. Statement number one. Yes. Statement number two. Action number two. Like this. Yes. Statement number one. Statement number two. Action number two. Statement number two. That's all. If the condition is true, do this statement number one. Condition is false, do this state. Sir, how you write this code, sir? How you write the statement, sir? Yes, simple, very simple. I'll explain you. See, for example, for example, if you write if, okay, okay, condition, condition, inside a condition, afterwards you write something. Afterwards, end this if statement. To end this if statement, just write reverse order. You reverse order in the sense what? Fi. Oh, this is ending of if statement. That's all. This is ending of if reverse only. If fi reverse reverse. So in the middle, yes, we write statements. This is a skeleton of if statement, if condition statement, if condition statement. So like this, that means what? Sir, see, observe carefully. All these are statements. All these are statement, nothing but what? A group of statement or a block of statement. Now we call it as something called block of statements, something called a block. That's all. That is also called as a if block. If block. That's all. If block. So if block, that's all. So now just end of the if block, we use fi. They'll ask you, hey boss, do you have any experience on bash script? Yes, yes. But what is the end point of if or end block of if? Fi. That's all. Fi. So if end is nothing but fi. That's all. In the middle, we write all the things. Then we also call as a statements or a block of statements or something called a block. That's all. Start of the block and end of the block. That's all. So inside the middle of this block, we write so many statements. Block. That's all. Block. So starting of the block, ending of the block. Starting of the block, we specify if statement. Ending of the block, we specify fi. That's all. Fi. Like this. Okay. Yes, yes. All right, friends. Okay. Now, just observe carefully, friends. First of all, yes, if if afterwards something called condition, that's all. Afterwards, okay, if condition is true, then what next? Then keyword, then thn, then keyword, then yes, statement number one, statement number two. That's all. Okay. Then statement number one, statement number two. Sir, writing two statements? Yes, we can write so many statements, but as of now, for your understanding purpose, just for understanding purpose, I'm explaining you two statements. That's all. Okay, we write so many steps, no problem. Yes, we'll do all these things. Afterwards, boss, fi, that's all. If fi, end of the block. This is what if condition. So by using the skeleton, we write the statements. But how you write the statement, how you write the bash scripts and everything, we will give you more clarity while hands-on. No problem. While hands-on, will give you more clarity. So this is what something called if. Boss, this is a simple boss. Simple. That's why the people are calling as a simple if or model number one. That's all. If statement model number one. That's all. Sir, what about model number three, sir? Yes, we have a model number two also available. Model number two. Model number one is different. Model number two is different. Something different. This is simple statement. That's why most of the people are calling as a simple if. in their terminology, Java, Python, .NET, something. Yes, yes. Simply for we are calling as model number one. That's all. Model number one for your understanding purpose. You people don't have something called a programming knowledge. That's why. See, but most of the people having the programming knowledge in their respective BTech, MTech, MCA. But anyway, most of the people, coming from non-IT backgrounds. So for that purpose, I'm explaining you all these things very clearly. Pause. Okay. So model number two, sir, what is model number two? Tell me. Yeah, tell me. Simple. Is simple. In this model number two, just something called, for example, for example, if if condition, if afterward condition, then statement number one. Okay. If the condition is true, execute this statement immediately. Oh, if the condition not true, what happens? Yeah. Go to next statement, statement number two, and execute this statement number two. Okay. We need to, provide some specification to my bash. Hey, bash. No. If the condition is true, then execute the script immediately. If not, that means what? If the condition is not true, then what happened? Go to this place, execute the statement immediately. Okay. That means what? See, then execute the statement. Not execute the statement. That's all. Condition is true, then execute this one. Condition not true, then that means what? Condition is false. Execute this statement. That's all. This is nothing but what? One more kind of if block. Okay, F5. That's all. But the people not defining like this. Okay, the people not defining the if block like this. No, the people instead of writing not true, add false. Okay, then the people are using something called else. Oh, else. Then else. That means what? If the condition is true, then execute this statement. Else, come to this place and execute this statement. Else. That means what? Else means what? If the condition is false, the else block will be executed. If the condition is true, then block will be executed. Yes, there is nothing but what? Blocks. Just think like that. Condition is true, this above statement, first statement will be executed successfully. The condition is not true. The second statement will be executed. That's why we must specify else. So like this, we write the condition. So how you write the condition, sir? Simple. If, okay, if afterwards something called condition, semicolon, not colon, semicolon. Okay. Afterwards something called then, then, then. Okay. Afterwards statement one, else. Okay. Else. Okay. Else afterwards, else statement 2. That's all. Then again F5. It's over. F5. End of the if block. That's all. So statement number 1 and the statement number 2. That's all. This is nothing but what? Just something called model number 2 if statement. Else block. And if else block we added else else లేకపోతే కాకపోతే అది ట్రూ అవ్వకపోతే ఎస్ ఎల్స్ బ్లాక్. సో లైక్ దిస్ మనం ఇలా చేస్తాం, రైట్? ఓకే. మోడల్ నెంబర్, వాట్ ఈస్ మోడల్ నెంబర్ 2, సార్? వాట్ ఈస్ మోడల్ నెంబర్ 2? సో మోడల్ నెంబర్ 2, more number of if blocks. Yes, yeah. More number of if blocks. Model number 2. Model number 3, more number of if blocks. Sir, how you define a more number of if blocks? That means what? It is checking different conditions, different conditions, checking. Yes, different condition. And the same program and the same bash script, we write different if blocks. If, 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 like that. If. That means what? Some people calling as a multiple if conditions. So compound if, yes, multiple. Okay, multiple was multiple in the sense what? Something called, suppose, for example, uh, condition number one. If condition number one, suppose condition number one true, do this task. Again, condition number two, do this task, or otherwise condition number not true or something. Yes, if. Again, check this condition one more time. Condition number two also. Condition number two also, check this one. Oh, again, if condition number true also not like that, if condition number three. Condition number three. So then condition number three also not like that. Yes, condition number four. So like that, that means what? See, we are checking multiple conditions, that's all. We are checking multiple conditions. Finally, we get the output, that's all. We are checking multiple conditions and finally we get the output, that's all. Multiple conditions, multiple condition in the sense what? Ah, suppose multiple condition number one, it must be satisfied. Again, second condition must be satisfied. So, satisfied in the sense what, sir? So for example, the card must be Visa. Oh, the card must be Visa. After Visa, the card must have a international transactional access. Oh, this is condition number two. The card must be Visa card and the card must have a international access. Okay, good. Afterwards, the card must have something called PIN number like this. Okay. Afterwards, the card must have a some CVV number like this. Oh, like this, we are checking multiple conditions. Afterwards, we allow to make the payment. Yes, success. That's all. Otherwise, no, not at all. That's why we are using multiple conditions. Yes or no? Yes. So if you want to do some kind of payments through online, it is asking you straight away, hey boss, please enter a valid visa. Oh, afterwards, this code must have a something called international transactions eligibility. Otherwise, no, this code is invalid. See, while you are creating your AWS account, most of the people getting error. Why? What kind of error? Because, hey boss, your visa card is not eligible to do this kind of transaction. Why? Because this visa card doesn't have a international transaction eligibility. So go to your bank, consult your bank people, and something called do some modification. That's all. It is asking you straight away. That means what? It is telling you payment method not verified. That's all. Straight away it is giving you one message, something called while you are doing AWS account creation. Yes or no? In the same way, what they do, they are doing internally like this only. They are checking the conditions, boss. That's all. Condition number one, first condition, the code must be Visa. Condition number two, the code must have international access. Condition number three, PIN number like this. Condition number four, CVV number like this. Then only we can. Otherwise, if all of the conditions are true or false, then like this we take the again one more decision. Yes. One more action. Yes. That means what? We are checking multiple conditions and a one bash scripts. Nothing but what? Model 3. Model 3 if. Okay. So, sir, why we are using all this if statements and everything? We are not a developer. Yes, we are not a developers. No, We are not developing any business logic and any, application. No, just for our understanding purpose, I'm explaining you. So in a bash scripts also, we need to check the conditions. Okay, if the file just, condition, if the condition by using if condition, check the file. If the file is having execution permission or not. If the file is an execution permission, do this task. Oh, if the file is in write permission, do this task. Okay, if the file is in read permission, do this task. Simply say, this is what if statement only, that's all. Okay, if the file, see, whenever we enter any file, just they'll tell you, hey, this file is a file or directory. Please check one more time based on the condition. Yes, yes. And also we check the user type. Hey, who is this user? Is a root user or something called normal user? Check one time. Condition only. Yes, yes. Oh, if the condition, if ID is equal to 0, what a root user? ID is equal to not greater than something, something. Yes, some other user. Okay, okay. Yes, yes. We do all these kind of activities by using if only, boss. That's all. Like this. Yes, yes. We have something called logical operators and everything. We need to check. Okay, logical. So whether the something called, hey, if the file is empty file or non-empty file, please check. Then we go for if statement. If the file is empty or